Hi everyone. Today's my recipe holiday special or summer special or weekend special burger bun. Next video we will see burger full recipe. In this video I will show you how to make burger buns. Take a half cup of lukewarm water and 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 full tablespoon of active yeast. Then mix well, leave it for 10 minutes to ferment. After 10 minutes, look like this. Next, add half teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Then I am using here bread flour. You can use all purpose flour or whole wheat flour. I am using here 350 grams of bread flour. It will available on online or you can find in your nearby shop. Knead the dough until soft. These are the ingredients we will use for this buns. Now it is softened. Finally add 1 teaspoon of oil and grease well. Then wrap it. You can use cloth or any plate. Wrap tightly. It will take in this normal temperature. It will take 1 hour time. Or if you have cool temperature, it will take more time. After 1 hour, it's like release the gas. Perfectly fermented. Then again knead 3 to 4 minutes. It will turn to normal stage. Burger bun is very easy at home if you have oven or you can use cooker by using by stove. Knead the dough 3 to 4 minutes until soft. Now cut into equal parts. I took 350 grams of flour. It will come equal parts, totally 6 buns. Then soft it. Then arrange in baking plate. Use parchment paper or butter paper before using the tray. Place all the buns. Give the gap between them. Again wrap it and leave it for 30 minutes. It will double the size. After 30 minutes it will double. Then apply the milk. If you are using normal gas stove, You can do that. And sprinkle some sesame seeds. By using by gas stove, you can use cooker or a thick bottom vessel. It will take time 40 to 45 minutes to bake. I am using here oven already preheated. Bake 180 degrees at for 30 minutes. Some other ovens all depending different in the time and heat. Then cool down completely. Our bread recipe is ready now. We will make now burger, or you can eat with milk also. This buns. Everyone like this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. The is super soft bread is ready. Buns is ready. In next video, I will show you how to make burger using by these buns. Please like, share, and comment to my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.